Hi everyone, I'm Pratiksha and welcome back to Garden Vibes. Water requirement varies from plant to plant. Plants like cactus or succulent can survive without water for many days, and plants like ferns they need to water regularly to grow. Always water thoroughly, allowing it to drain from the bottom of the container. If the soil feels soggy even after a few hours, then poke the drainage hole to unblock it. Throw away the excess water collected in the tray below. Don't let the plant sit in water, as it restricts the airflow from the hole and develops anaerobic condition in the soil. Mist the leaves occasionally to clean the dust from it. However, don't keep the leaves constantly wet as it develops fungal problems. Reduce watering during cooler season as growth of plant slows down. Don't overwater. It causes the leaves to develop brown tips and wilt. Moreover, wet soil doesn't allow the roots to breathe. And one more important thing, frequent watering also drains away the essential nutrient from the soil. Now, most important is where you should water your plants. Plants need water at their roots and not on the leaves. The roots pull moisture from the soil and through capillary action send it to the leaves. So you should help plants by watering at the roots. You can water along the rim of the container for most effective watering. Generally, the canopy of the plant gives an idea of its root system. Now, another important factor is time. When to water your plants? Water your plant always early in the morning or late in the evening. Watering in the morning makes sure that the plant has enough moisture to be used throughout the day. If by any chance you are unable to water in the morning, water your plants late in the afternoon. It should not be too hot when you are watering in the afternoon. And most important, never ever water your plants when sun is over your head. Heat leads to excess water evaporation. Water only when soil dries out. Don't water for the sake of it. To check if you need to water your plants, you can put a finger inside the soil. If you feel the moisture, then there is no need to water the plants. So guys, water is one of the most important natural resource we have. But nowadays we can see water scarcity around us. So I would like to request you, please use water carefully for our plants and for our planet and for us. I hope you enjoyed this video. And I would like to request you all who is watching this video, please like, share and subscribe Garden Vibes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Till then, happy gardening.